Meaning of derelict.
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 Derelict. The word derelict can be used as an adjective to describe something that is in a state of disrepair or abandonment, usually in reference to buildings or property. It can also refer to a person who is neglectful or remiss in their duties or responsibilities. The result of something being derelict is a sense of decay, neglect, and loss. It can be a sad and eerie sight to see a derelict building or property, representing a wasted potential and a reminder of what could have been.